So before we will start our lesson, let's learn little bit over here. So in the drawing I use this technique, alphabet V, and same thing I'm going to draw here, kind of like that. But in the video what I did on the top of this one, you can see all the points over here. You can go directly, that's totally fine, but in the video what I did, instead of this I did curve here, and then same point, this point to this point, curve, this point to this point, curve. And in the braid what I did, this is the sad face, and from here is smiley, so kind of like alphabet S style. Same thing here, sad face, and then it will be a smiley here. Let's draw one straight line. For you can draw one circle shape, that's also fine. I'm trying to draw head here. And from here I will kind of do heart shape style, pointed alphabet V, and it will go a little bit this side, and this is going to be my middle line here, plus sign. Now I'm going to erase all my extra lines. Now this is going to be the end, so I'm going to draw tiny one smiley, another smiley here, and I want from here, this has to start and it has to go here, like that. Same thing, I will start from here and I want this one to go somewhere here. This line is coming here, and then I did alphabet V, and then again we can see this line over here. From here, this is the half, little bit up, and I will draw one, and kind of like this is the middle line. From here I will draw another one, kind of like alphabet Y. We can directly go and connect this way, all of them. So instead of this one, you have to make this one light, and you can see this one is getting straight here. Instead of straight, what we can do sad face here. Same thing, sad face, sad, sad. And then it will go, so this is sad, and then it will come smiley, and this is the correction I made over here. Now same thing, sad, and then it will be smiley, and it will go here. So you can connect first this side and then this side, or you can connect one by one. So this is sad, and then it will be smiley, sad, smiley, sad, smiley. So I'm exactly going on the top of the guideline and curving them. So this one went a little bit out, so I will make it small. Same thing here, sad, smiley we already corrected, so sad, and then from here it will be smiley. sad, smiley, sad, smiley, sad, smiley. So you have to finish the whole thing. Now this is the middle point, so if you want to draw the ear over here, you can do it. Otherwise, when you are shading, some hairs will also come here, so you don't have to exactly draw over here. Not really thick, kind of like. So this is a smiley at the end here and here. These 2 points you have to pull